Hey YouTube, new trimmer alert. New trimmer alert. Let's get to unboxing. To start, this trimmer is nice eye candy. I can't even lie. The height is 6.38 inches from base to blade. The trimmer is a high-performance, professional-grade grooming tool designed for precision and comfort. Featuring zero-gap adjustable blades and a powerful, low-noise motor, it delivers ultra-close cuts ideal for detailed line work, fades, and trimming. Its ergonomic, lightweight design ensures superior control and reduced hand fatigue during extended use. The trimmer's high-visibility design and LED battery indicator enhance usability in busy barber settings. With a lithium-ion battery offering up to 135 minutes of cordless runtime, the combine's power, precision, and reliability, making it a must-have for barbers and stylists seeking top-tier performance. Like, follow, and subscribe for more unboxings. #FSO #Fades.So.Official #barberlife.